If you're a fan of Porsche's mid-engine sports cars, this update might sting. Welcome back to Future Wheels. Today, we're talking about the Porsche 718 Boxster and Cayman and why their electric future may be in serious trouble. Porsche has already ended production of the gasoline-powered 718 models, closing the chapter on one of its most loved driver-focused platforms. Stricter European regulations forced the cars out of the EU first, followed by plans to end production globally. The next step was supposed to be clear: fully electric replacements. But according to new reports highlighted by The Drive, those electric 718 models may never make it to production. Insiders suggest the project is stuck in what's being described as development hell. Rising costs, major delays, and financial pressure, especially from weaker sales in China, are reportedly forcing Porsche's leadership to reconsider the entire program. A Porsche spokesperson has declined to comment, adding more uncertainty to the situation. Things became even more complicated when Porsche explored pivoting the platform back toward internal combustion or hybrid power. Reworking an EV-focused architecture to support gas or plug-in hybrid systems has proven extremely difficult and expensive, making the future of the 718 even less clear. If Porsche ultimately cancels the electric 718, it could leave a noticeable gap in the lineup. The 718 has long been the entry point into Porsche's sports car world, sitting below the 911 while still delivering a true Porsche driving experience. As of now, nothing is official. What we do know is this: the gas-powered 718 is gone, the electric replacement is in doubt, and Porsche's next move remains unclear. So what do you think? Should Porsche push forward with an electric 718, bring back a gas or hybrid option, or rethink the model entirely? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and for more updates on the future of performance cars, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. This is Future Wheels. See you in the next one.